Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook profile on PC. Follow these simple steps to get started. First, open Facebook by going to the official website. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page. Now click on Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Scroll down the page until you find Followers and Public Content. Click on it and make sure to switch all options to Public. Next, go back to the previous menu and click on How People Find and Contact You. Under the Who Can Send You Friend Requests section, select Friends of Friends. Now, you're almost done. Go back to your profile and click on the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu, select View As, and just like that, the follow button will appear on your profile. That's it. You've successfully added a follow button to your Facebook profile on PC. Feel free to customize your privacy settings further if desired. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.